Mubango uyu uria uretwo telemedicine surgeries urugureirio thibitari-ini nene ya Kiambu, mutumia wa guthinjwo niguo kuheo mwana akiheo utungata uyu, ndagitari makiheana mwerekera uyu kuri uria uri thieta, mihango ino igitwarithio na mbere riri thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu inyitaniire na madagitari na ataramu angi kuruguria. Mubango uyu utanyitwo kuhuthia na kunyihia mahinda maria murwaru etagirira raini ya wodi ya thieta, na ni ukuhotithia arigitani na madagitari gutungatira arwaru aingi ona matari thibitari-ini iria mihango ino ya uthinjani iratwarithirio.
It is a video setup, which I'm sure you will be shown, videos in theatre that are able to record the procedure and actually project it worldwide. So in fact, someone in Thika watched the video, someone in London watched the video, and how this will help us as Kiambu Level 5. This will improve the quality of care that we give to Kiambu residents by increasing the skill level of all our surgeons, all our technicians. We can learn from this platform.
Kuringana na CC wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ndagitari Elias Maina, mitambo ino igathikitwo thibitari-ini wa Kiambu Level 5, na madagitari angi ni marihotaga gutuma arwaru ao thieta ino na gutwarithia na mbere urigitani uyu ona umwe ari kuraihu. Thirikari ya Kiambu ikirahira mitaratara iria marauga magathikite ya kugacirithia ikiro cia motungata ma ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino.
Wonderful moment for the people of Kiambu and for our residents, especially the mothers who come to give birth in Kiambu, who require cesarean section and other surgeries. And I want to say I'm very proud of you, very, very proud of you. The kind of efficiency I've seen in the swift retrieval of that bouncing baby.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.